So welcome to PHP String Operators. There are two operators which are specifically designed for strings. You use these operators for PHP strings. The first one is the concatenation, which helps you to concatenate two strings or join two strings. The next one is the concatenation assignment operator, which helps you to append string 2 to string 1. So let's see it in action, or them in action. So the first thing I will do, like you know already, is to create the PHP opening and closing tag. Then let's create some variables. Let's call the first one x, and let's make x a string of, let's say, hello. Then let's create another called y, variable y, and let's make this world. Take note, I have a space here. Now the first thing we will do is to concatenate both of them. We just say echo variable x dot variable y. So it's going to join both strings together. So let's see this. And as you can see, hello world. What if I remove this space I have here? I've taken out the space. If I reload, you see there is no space in between. So you can also put a space. I want to show you how to do some multiple concatenation. So you can concatenate like this, so dots. So because I want a string of space in between, so what I've done here is, this is a variable. If I'm concatenating a variable to a string, I have to use dots, then put the string in a quote, then another dot, then join the last variable. So let's save this to see how it pans out. And as you can see, our string, our space has been shown in between. Okay, so that is that on that. Let me put back the space. The next one is appending. So how do you append? To append, we just do this by using the shortcut. We say x dot equal to y, which, like I've shown previously, this is going to be equal to x is equal to x plus y. That is, we are just trying to append. Okay, so now if we echo out the result of x, of variable x, we should now have the same result you have on your screen right now. So if I reload, you see the same thing. So what we've done here is we've appended world to hello. That is, we appended variable y to variable x. So guys, this is it on PHP string operators. I'll see you in the next one.